I wanted to become an associate because I wanted to mix across Wales with professional people in my circle. So I wanted to meet other head teachers across Wales, and I understood from that I'd get access to different networks and different academic people in that role as an associate. I actually want to try and make things different. I'm quite into this thought of I want to make a difference at a bigger level, bigger than the school. Personally, the highlight for me through the pandemic was having access to my colleagues and friends in my cohort, and I do regard them as friends, and actually the professional opportunities that were presented to us throughout the pandemic. The highlight for me was being coached by Tracy Jones. I found that particularly inspirational for me, and from that coaching experience I've gone on to become, I've successfully gained my postgraduate in therapeutic counselling. So that was transformational for me as a head teacher. You should apply to be an Academi Associate if you want to make a difference with like-minded people across Wales. And I think that's part of the attraction of the Academy, is meeting like-minded people who want to make a difference. We're all very driven as head teachers, but meeting people who are continuously trying to drive and change things in the system is something that I think is very, very rewarding. It kind of sustains you through the difficult times.